Hi everyone, Angela here. This towel is a great scrap busting project. You just need to cut two 6-inch squares. Fold both pieces in half diagonally, matching the edges. Then clip or pin if you need to. I'm using the Juki TL-2010Q sewing machine. The link for this and the tools I use are down in the description below. If you're in Australia or New Zealand, click the link for Echidna Sewing and Juki Junkies for North America. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, start at the fold, back tack, stitch half of this side, and back tack again. At the corner, fold down both layers 1/4 inch. Again, start with a back tack, stitch the entire seam, back tack to finish, and then repeat with the other piece. Trim all 4 diagonal corners on an angle, making sure not to cut the stitching. Separate the opening and turn each piece right side out. Pull at each side at the corner to give you a nice straight edge, and then use a knitting needle or a point turner to carefully poke out the corners. Adjust the opening and the seams on both sides so that they're right in the center, and press the pieces flat. These pieces will be sewn to one of the shorter sides of the towel. If there's a hanging loop on the back, just carefully cut it away. Using 3/4 inch wide hook and loop tape or velcro, cut a square of each side. On the back side of the towel, place one of the squares about 1/8 inch in from each side and clip in place if you need to. Stitch it on close to the edges, back tacking at the start and finish, and pivoting at the corners. Once done, trim all your threads. On the right side of the towel, place one of the corner pieces on top, line up the sides, clip the edges in place, and pin along the diagonal edge. Then repeat on the other side. Starting at the corner on the side, back tack, stitch a 1/16 inch from the edge, pivot at the corners, and back tack to finish. Then repeat with the other corner piece. The corner without the velcro underneath, place the other square of velcro on top of the fabric and stitch in place. Now you're sewing over several layers in this corner, so go nice and slow, making sure you don't have any skip stitches. Place the end with the fabric corners over your handle, gather up the towel in the center, and bring the corners together in the front. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to check out some of my other towel designs up next.